Welcome to At-Home Research for Shawnee Heights Middle School students. With the constant growth of information, it is essential to use reliable resources. While Googling is a valuable tool to find information, search results will need to be checked for reliability, bias, relevancy, and accuracy. To minimize the number of unreliable sources, students can use the USD 450 research tools. Our search tools are a lot like what you will experience in high school and college using databases. According to Merriam-Webster.com, a database is usually a large collection of data organized especially for rapid search and retrieval as by a computer. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access Worldbook online at home, access Gale student resources in context at home, and navigate and evaluate which research tool best suits your needs. If at any time you need additional instructions, the print version of this lesson can be found on the library webpage. You can also contact your instructor with any questions at finnyv@usd450.net. Step 1. Accessing the research tools. To begin, log into a computer with internet access. Then, open the Internet Browser application on your computer. I recommend and will be using Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome on your computer, ask your parents to follow this link to download the software. Once you are in the browser window, locate the address bar and type in www.usd450.net. When you arrive at the Shawnee Heights homepage, select Schools, click on Shawnee Heights Middle School. Along the left side of the page, you will see navigation options. Scroll down and select Library Media Center. Step 2. Your database options. On this screen, you will see that you have 4 options: the Online Catalog, Worldbook Online, Gale Student Resources in Context, and Gale Global Issues in Context. The Online Catalog is for browsing the collection of books in our library. We will not be covering this resource at this time. Step 3. Selecting a database. Each database option will provide reliable and relevant resources for your search. However, each source provides slightly different types of information. Worldbook Online is like an encyclopedia. This resource provides information similar to bibliographies and informational pieces on the how and what of a topic. Gale Student Resources in Context and Gale Global Issues in Context will provide readers with information on articles similar to what you would find on news sources. These will have more of an informational and argumentative perspective, but with minimal bias. When choosing between these two Gale resources, use is based on user preference. I personally prefer to use Gale Student Resources in Context. I feel that the interface is more user-friendly. With that in mind, we will only explore Gale Student Resources in Context today. Step 4. Worldbook Online. To begin, click on the Worldbook Online logo or link. The link will take you to a new tab. In order to access Worldbook Online at home, you will need to use the USD 450 login information. For both the login ID and the password, you will need to type in completely lowercase. The login ID is Shawnee, and the password is Heights, HEIGHTS. On this page, there are 6 options. You will want to use the Student option. On the Student homepage, you will see lots of tools and options. You can search, explore the headlines, and watch featured videos. A search results page will bring up different kinds of information to best suit your needs. For example, there are encyclopedia articles, images, and information that takes you back in time. To see more about search strategies and examining results, please view our next tutorial. Step 5. Gale Student Resources in Context. To begin, click on the Gale Student Resources in Context logo or link. The link will take you to a new tab. In order to access Gale Student Resources in Context at home, you will need to use the USD 450 login information. This resource only needs a password. The password begins with lowercase letters. It is TECU, the numbers 14888. Just like World Book Online, on this page you are going to see lots of options as well. Gale also includes a search bar, as well as options for advanced search and bookmarking searches. You can also browse featured news stories. The Gale search results page will bring up a large amount of information divided by format. For example, this search provided reference materials, biographies, images, and other kinds of information. To see more about search strategies and examining results, please view our next tutorial. Step 6. Try it out. Do you want to try out the research tools on your own? If so, your 8th grade ELA teachers and I have set up an extra credit opportunity. First, select one of these questions to answer. Then, fill out a database search form that you can get from the English teacher or from the library to track your research. Turn it into the library and include your name, team name, English teacher name, and date. I will grade your assignment and give it to your ELA teacher to earn extra credit in that class. Thank you for watching this tutorial today. Please feel free to watch our other tutorials on search strategies and examining search results. If you have suggestions for other tutorials or need additional help, please seek out your librarian.